agenda yung iba. But let us all support and rally to our new elected leader.
Yes.
No, sa pagbabago na gusto natin.
Total, sila wala mang magawa. Alam mo, how would you explain, well, of course, the counting still going on. How do you explain the votes that I got? Because they would rather parade infrastructures and the straight road to... They didn't know that all along it was a question of law and order. Kita mo yung boto ko. What did I propagate there somewhere? It was law and order. Yun talaga ang sinisigaw ko. Tingnan mo boto. Naniwala ba sila dyan sa mga, ako, ganun ako, ganun kami.